Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, agati kwega. Legatho wa Gachagua ni aria na timu ya United Opposition ni maria. Kuria Mbeere North legatho wa Gachagua arauga atiriri wici wa kura ni bangitwo muthenya wa rucio nao niguo gubangitwo kuringana na legatho wa Gachagua. Arauga ati as we speak kwina kura kana kwina ballot papers 15,000 already pre-marked. Their preferred candidate already akamakwo metereire gukana thi gwikira kura ici thiini wa ballot box muthenya wa rucio. Legatho wa Gachagua aratariria atio niguo gathi na mbere. Remember hendu IEBC irekire na red flag na bemwe. IEBC ni toni muthenya wa ntoni mugatiriri ati thiini wa ithurano ici ni gwakona borithi areme na uniform na plain cloth. Legatho wa Gachagua kauga ati already kwina anake mwetu kuma Nairobi 1,500 magathi go cause chaos kuria ithurano cigekwo kuri mwena wa Mbeere North. Na igweno anake magoka ma cause chaos thiini wa polling stations niguo kura iria cigekio thiini wa ballot boxes. Remember, the moment chaos shakoswo andu ni moraga, agents no more matikorwa kana ballot box ciuka stiho at that time niguo ati borithi aya plain cloth magatumirwo gwikira ballot papers ici thiini wa ballot box. Ati already kwina nyanake cunutitwo guku Nairobi cigathitwo kuri mwena wa Mbeere North ukana cause chaos. Na Legatho wa Gachagua ena intel iyo yothe. Ladies and gentlemen, katuthikire Legatho wa Gachagua akeria ni mwenegito kenene muno. Musubscribe thiini wa channel ino ya Kikuyu podcast.
Thank you very much. It is now very clear to us and to the people of Kenya that IEBC is totally compromised, and we are happy that this has been confirmed this early, because had this not been confirmed this early, they could have duped Kenyans that they can supervise and pretend over the general elections. For the first time since the electoral history of Kenya, IEBC has confirmed that they will be using uniformed officers and plainclothes officers. Those plainclothes officers is a tool for ballot stuffing. IEBC has given ballot papers to government agencies that have been pre-marked, and the officers in civilian, their work is to figure out how to get the pre-marked ballots into the ballot box. In Mbeere, for example, Mbeere North, 15,000 pre-marked ballots are being distributed now in a hotel 2 kilometers from Ebu town, where Kindiki is supervising. And these officers have been instructed to go to the polling stations, some pretending to be agents, others to be observers, others to be keeping security. The plan in Mbeere North is that 1,500 gangsters from Kayole and Gekambura in Kikuyu are in Mbeere, and their mission is to create chaos outside the polling stations so that the police officers inside can create more chaos pretending to be agents, and in that situation of chaos, the pre-marked ballots will be put into the ballot boxes. Thereafter, the police will arrive and keep peace, and things will go back to normal, and then the voting will continue. By that time, the pre-marked ballot papers will have been in the ballot box already. We are therefore saying, and the CEO of IEBC, Marajan, is in Mbeere North himself overseeing that exercise. Let me ask government not to provoke the people of Mbeere North and the people of Kenya. Those people will not accept that situation. And I can tell you they are aware and they are waiting. And I think for IEBC, they have lost an opportunity to work on some credibility where Kenyans can believe that they can be trusted
guys
to oversee the general election.
Ucio ni Rigathi wa Gachagua akiaria na iyo ni mibango iria ibangitwo kuria mwena wa Mbeere North na ati ni gubangitwo wici wa kura na njira imwe nene muno kuria mwena wa Mbeere North toraugo tu ona kuria Magarini toraugo tu ona kuria mwena wa Malava uguo ni gukoratuka nino ndu Rigathi wa Gachagua arahutia wa bata muno tondu gikinya mwaka wa 27 IEBC ni afatie kurorwo giki ni kigeranio IEBC marekireirwo na kigeranio giki IEBC na chairman wa IEBC ni agwa na njira nene muno. From now henceforth team ya United Opposition megukuru riu makidil na chairman wa IEBC mundu kwa mundu. Chairman yo niona naiti atiriri nita hena mwena uria ara support hena mwena uria aenda ugahotana tondu timu ino ya atakwo ndari araria na gutire undu augite ona uriku maundu macio mothe magikorwo makiendelea atia na chairman wa IEBC ndari araria niki akirite yatiriri ikabe election ino nioka ututeithiai ithuĩ ta Kenya tondu angikugutire namba election tuone weakness iria ciho na IEBC ino maundu maya nimo tungikanona mwaka wa 2027. It's high time Kenya na omokire mabie kwaria ohoro wa IEBC ino. And let me tell you guys, from now henceforth ithuĩ no shaba Mbeere North ciana haitia ciwo na tuone gukiyo IEBC ino nigekora andu acike. Things will not be the same again. Akenya ti andu aguthakirwo. Akenya ni andu mariaktaga na njira nene muno. Ukaigua Akenya makiambia kuga a chairman wa IEBC no ngina agethie na kureho chairman okay. And that's what will happen, ladies and gentlemen. Chairman yo ni arafatie ore maundu uria magireire. Nage marajan ate kuria. Mara ku make sure ate githurano giki kia Mbeere North riwe ruaro ni maiya kuringana na Rigathi wa Gachagua auga igetha monani atiriri mari ona hinya wa kiuteti mwena wa thirikari. But will that happen tomorrow? Intel ya United Opposition ni Intel iguru muno na Intel yo ni kumateithia na jenene muno. Hihi kuna evidence ya maundu maya? I just hope kuna evidence ya kuigana na test area, ladies and gentlemen, area togirwo ni kurora ni test ya magoti maitu. By the end of it all, mashira maya mothe ni meguthi magoti-ini. Magoti na moi makauga atia. Because by the end of it all, ni tuonete maundu maria makoretwo magithi na mbere. Mashira maya meguthi magoti-ini. I have seen IEBC is not independent. Igoti nario ni independent kanila control ni must go. That's what we want to see now. Because mashira maya mothe magathi igoti-ini nario igoti rigatu atia. Ladies and gentlemen, tondu maundu maya mothe nimonekanite, maundu nimekikite, and we have seen voter bribery and so on and so forth. Ucoka wikarite. Anyway, akitone wikara kunego podcast moni manyu mariko inywe mrona wikarite atia. Shone Rigathi wa Gachagua akiaria na mashira maundu mari oka na expose. Thank you. God bless you. Guys, this is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Kunego podcast. No ngina gamanyithia maundu maria ma trend, maundu maria mathie na mbere thĩinĩ wa bũrũri wa Kenya. Thank you. God bless you.